Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am sharing the walkthrough of this album that I designed for Country Craft Creations. This is my main August project, and it is a fall album that I created out of Cartabella's Fall Market paper collection. I used craft artisan cardstock from Country Craft Creations and this cute little barn chipboard piece, which will be available in September, also from Country Craft Creations. I stained mine, painted it with Copic markers to give it a brown roof and the red barn look. So I really love how it turned out. So these are a lot of fun embellishments to add to any fall. And you can make it a winter one. I did a winter album with another one, and I put snow on the roof and on the tops of the windows and things and along the bottom. So that's a real cute little piece. So let's take a look at this album real quick. I have it tied closed with this pretty canvasy type ribbon with the orange dots that you can get from Country Craft Creations. I added brown button twine, and this is the brad. Also, you can buy a package of brads, the decorative brads that comes with the collection. The flowers are all from my stash. These are chipboard pieces that you can get from the collection, Cartabella's Fall Market. And of course the pattern papers are all from Cartabella Fall Market collection, the 12 by 12. So it's just has a 3-inch spine here. The ribbon wraps around the back like that, comes to the front, and then ties the album closed. So I'm going to untie it and show you the inside. I have 5 page sets in this album, and which makes 10 pages when you count front and back. So I have 5 page designs repeated twice. When you open it up, the first thing you're going to see on the left inside cover is a waterfall. Now I used magnets to attach this piece down to hold it down. I added some of this seam binding ribbon you can buy from Country Craft Creations. Let me zoom out. We want to make sure we can see this. Okay, and this is another brad with the button twine. Now this lifts up, so that gives you a waterfall. Now to conserve a pattern paper, I used 2 sheets of the 12 by 12 of the collection, two different each design. I don't know off the top of my head how many pages, different designs there are, except for 1 page I had left over for another project, and that was the fall floral. So I used 2 of each pattern design of this collection, except for fall floral I only used 1. So I didn't pattern all the areas because I think I want to leave it for photos so that it's not too bulky. I covered the first waterfall flap, and then each one I did just the 1/2 inch out of scraps to finish that off. So that leaves room for photos there. Flip this over. This first page has a belly band closure. This slides to the left or the right, but the left is the easiest, and then the flaps lift open. I did leave these blank again for photos. This is patterned. These are left unpatterned, and this is a little bit of a scrap so that it would show the pattern there when that's closed. And then you have this full area here and places for photos back here. And again, this just slides on, this belly band just slides across both of the flaps and holds them in place. Then you open this up to page 2. I made the button with the brads, the button string closure. I have 2 little pockets here made out of some of the ephemera, so I did use the ephemera pack from the collection. So you open these up. Again, I left these blank. These fold out here. These are patterned to cover the brads. And then this flap opens up. So we have lots of flaps here. We have a pocket here. I added some photo mats that I made out of the craft artisan cardstock, so that goes in there. And then this all folds back in like that. So you could pattern these sections if you wanted to. I just decided to conserve the paper so I'd have some for the second project, and also to keep it from being too thick when you start adding photos. So this one has a magnet closure flap here. I pieced the paper on this one and added some of the ephemera pieces. Patterned this on the back because of the magnets. So we have a flap here and here. So we have, these are flaps here. These open up to the right. So I used some of the cut aparts that come with the collection on the designs for that. And then you can close. These are pieced together. Then you can flip these down like that. So like I said, these page designs, you do them twice. So they're all going to be the same, but they'll look different with the different pattern papers. So this one has a cut apart magnetized flap. Use the brad and another one of the ephemera pieces. And this flips up and down, and then we have a pocket. I put some tags in here and one of the 4x6 cut aparts right there. This one's a real simple page. It's just a string closure like this with one flap that opens up. So you could put yours here, and you can put some here, and of course over here on the side. So that's the 5th page design. So we start over from what we had at the front. So like this one was the first page. It had the belly band. This one has the same thing, just looks different with the treatment of the papers. So this slides over, flips up. Same thing, I just patterned the edge here. And then we have the inside. There will be a tutorial for this. We'll be uploading it to YouTube, so if you haven't already followed my channel, just subscribe and then click on the bell to follow the channel, and you'll receive notification each time I upload a video. So then this is the string one that is undone here. We have little tuck spots here for little photo mats, little journaling spot. Pull this back. And this one goes back, this one goes back, and then we have the pocket here for some photo mats. And I continued this one across so that you could see the whole pattern, and I really like how that turned out. So let's bring this together. And again, just keep it closed with the string. This is that same page. These are 2 chipboard elements here. This flap flips up. You see these 2 go up. Piece those together. These open to the side like that, and then also open down. And again, they're all pieced together. This is a really pretty paper collection. If you love fall albums, then you may really want to check this one out. Here's the cut apart again with the magnet. Lift that up. These 2 flaps. We have the pocket here with some photo mats and a 4x6 cut apart. And then the last one is another, just a single flap with the button string. And then for the inside back cover, we put this one back together here. Inside back cover, I have put a pocket, used a chipboard saying here, and I have the 4x6 cut aparts and then some more photo mats. So that's my little fall album. It measures, as I said, it has a 3-inch wide spine. It measures 6.5 tall by 8.5 wide with, I believe these are 6 inches long. Let's check that out. Make sure. No, they're actually 8-inch long by 6 inches, about, yeah, 6 inches tall. So it's 6 by 8 pages, 6.5 by 8.5 album. So that's my fall album that I designed as my main August project for Country Craft Creations. I want to thank you so much for watching, and check for the tutorial. Make sure you shop online at Country Craft Creations for your pattern papers, your cardstock, your chipboard, your adhesive, especially the art glitter glue that you can order from them. Let me get one that's newer looking bottle so you can see it. Art glitter glue and score tape and some of your decorative pieces and button string and ribbon, and have a really great time crafting. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.